What is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. When we subtract on a number line, we move backward or to the left. Let's solve 17 minus 6. First, find the number 17 on the number line. Now move backward 6 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We landed on 11. So 17 minus 6 equals 11. Let's try another subtraction problem. 14 minus 8. Start at 14. Move backward 8 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We landed on 6. So 14 minus 8 equals 6. Now it's your turn to try one by yourself. Use the number line to solve 16 minus 9. Remember to start at 16 and move backward 9 jumps. Ready to check the answer? We landed on 7. So 16 minus 9 equals 7. Remember, start at the first number. Move left to subtract. Count your jumps carefully. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. For more videos like this, please subscribe.